This video will demonstrate the T-harness installation for select Toyota and Lexus vehicles. The vehicle used is a Lexus ES350, but the installation is similar in all supported vehicles. Locate the 10-pin connector located on the back side of the vehicle's fuse box. Disconnect the 10-pin connector from the fuse box by pressing on the tab. Connect one side of the T-harness into the vehicle's connector and connect the other side of the T-harness back into the fuse box. Please note, only the OBD2 T-harness on the main T-harness will be used. The white 30-pin connector will not be used. Unsnap the OBD2 port from the mounting bracket and plug the OBD2 T-harness in line. Snap the OBD2 port from the T-harness back into the bracket. Plug the STSW cable into the black connector on the main T-harness. Use the provided zip ties to secure the module. Installation is now complete. Please refer to the guide for programming instructions.